What's up, PokePals? It's Pokemon Paul, and today we've got 2 Sword and Shield base set packs and 5 Evolutions booster packs. Let's get into it. We're going to start with the Sword and Shield packs, hoping for that big fat Snorlax. We got the code card for the Goblins. 1, 2, 3 to the front, getting rid of Fire type energy. We got Ferrothorn, Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Pincurchin, Vulpix, Nickit, Baltoy, a Chinchou, a Reverse Hollow Silicobra, and Sandaconda. Set that to the side.
And firewood.
Yeah, a bunch of firewood. Alright. Second pack, code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of fighting type. We got Pokemon Catcher, Drizzle, Evolution Incense, Cottony, Choodle, Rhyhorn, Rookie D, Krabby, a Reverse Hollow Galarian Ponyta, and another Sandaconda.
Fire's gonna be burning tonight.
Oh, we're gonna be warm. Alright, we're gonna start with this Raichu Evolutions pack. I don't remember the order of these cards, so this first pack, we're just gonna look through. Pikachu, Machop, Weedle, Doduo, Staryu, a Reverse Hollow Nidorino, a Mewtwo, and then we've got 3 cards behind it. So we got Super Potion, Brock's Grit, Maintenance, and another code card. Set those to the side. Code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front. Let's see what we got. Charizard Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Double Colorless Energy, Ponyta, Drowsy, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew. Ooh, a Machamp Break. I don't think I've got this one yet, which is nice. And an Electrode.
Which ones are you hoping for out of Evolutions?
Dragonite.
Dragonite?
Yeah.
That's the big one.
That's the one I want, apart from that Charizard. So get the code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got Devolution Spray, Nidorino, Slowbro Spirit Link, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, a Reverse Hollow Doug Trio, which is nice, and Doug Trio.
Got him!
God. Alright, on to the next pack. Code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got Kakuna, Full Heal, Machoke, Charmander, Diglett, Drowsy, Caterpie, Doduo. Ooh, a nice Reverse Hollow Porygon, and oh my god! A Mega Charizard EX! That is absolutely beautiful. Woo, buddy! Nice pulls. I'm gonna sleeve this immediately. Ooh, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. On to the last pack. Last pack magic. Let's see what we got. Got the code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got Venusaur Spirit Link, Machoke, Super Potion, Psychic type Energy, Pikachu, Growlithe, Machop, Nidoran, another Reverse Hollow Porygon, and Arcanine. which I don't have yet, so that's very nice. Let's see how we fared. We got the Porygon, 2 Porygons, Doug Trio, the Machamp Break, Electrode, Mewtwo, a Reverse Hollow Nidorino, the Arcanine, and of course, the Mega Charizard EX, which is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Good pulls. If you liked what you saw, you want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe.